Good morning, 8th class. We are discussing your chapter number 4, metals and non-metals. Till activity 4.4 we have discussed in previous video. Non-metals. Non-metal react with oxygen to form non-metal oxide. For example, carbon plus oxygen, carbon dioxide, sulfur plus oxygen, sulfur dioxide. White phosphorus is very reactive and catches fire as soon as it come in contact with oxygen, so it does not react with water. For this reason it is stored under water. There the question very important, that why phosphorus is stored under water? Because it catches fire and does not react with the water. Non-metal oxides are acidic in nature, metal oxides are basic in nature. They will turn the litmus blue, they will turn blue litmus red. This is the basic difference. Let us discuss the activity 4.5 to investigate that the non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Take half a spatula of sulfur powder in a deflagrating spoon. What is deflagrating spoon? It is shown in your image 4.9. This kind of the spoon is known as deflagrating spoon. We will take sulfur here. Keep a gas jar and its lid ready for the Bunsen burner. Heat the spoon on the flame till the sulfur catches fire. As soon as it catches fire, put the deflagrating spoon in a gas jar. See here in the figure, and close the lid so that gas form does not escape out. Now take the distilled water in a beaker, add small amount of gas jar quickly and remove the deflagrating spoon and shake the jar. After few seconds, open the jar and add a drop of solution of blue litmus. The blue litmus will turn red, which will confirm that solution is acidic in nature. Is it clear? That is S plus O2 SO2, and SO2 when reacts with water it will form H2SO3, that is sulfurous acid, which will turn the blue litmus red because it is acidic in nature. So all the carbonated drinks contain carbon dioxide gas dissolved under pressure, that is cold drinks. They will react with water to form carbonic acid, that is carbon dioxide is present, that will react with water to form H2CO3, which will give a tangy flavor to these drinks. When a bottle is opened, the carbon dioxide is released and we will see in the form of fizz sound will occur. So after some time, when all the gas is lost, the drink lost its flavor and turn like a sweetened water. We know that if we open a bottle of a cold drink, after some time when all the gas will escape out, it will only become a sweet in taste. All the flavor will lost. Clear?